Good morning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Power Automate and SharePoint. To get started, you're going to click here and you want to make sure your SharePoint app is open, your PowerPoint app is open. And how this is going to work is I'm going to create a site in SharePoint and it's going to have a list. And whenever that list is updated, I will get a notification in Power Automate using my flows. To get started, I'm going to click on SharePoint. I'm going to click right here where it says Create Site. And this is going to be a team site, and we're going to use standard team, and we're going to click on use template. And the name of my site is going to be Service Desk Pro 2, and we're going to click next and create site. And you can see right here, it is creating our site. And once it's done, I'm going to click this button right here. It says finish. And our site is created. The next step is to create the list, and we're going to click here and we're going to click list. And this is going to be a regular blank list, and the name of this list is going to be support tickets. So whenever we get a new support ticket, I will get a notification in Power Automate. So let's click on create. Perfect. Okay, so we can see this has been created. Now all we need is the site address. So we're gonna, from Service Desk Pro 2 all the way to HTTPS, I'm gonna copy this. Then I'm gonna go in Microsoft Power Automate and I'm gonna click My Flows. And in New Flow, I'm going to click Automated Cloud Flow and I'm gonna name this Support Tickets. And I'm going to click right here where it says when an item is created, and I'm going to click on create. And you can see I have the flow canvas open, and I'm going to click here, and we have to provide two parameters here, the site address and the list name. So I'm going to paste my site address, and then I'm going to check if the list name populated. Just give it a second, and let's click on enter custom name, and we're going to click here and paste, and let's check the list name, and it's loading, and there's support tickets, and we have these two parameters done. And now for the trigger, we're going to click plus, we're going to click on add action, and you're going to click on compose. Perfect. Okay, so here we do need it to, if we click here, we need it to give an input value. We're going to click here, this lightning, and we're going to give it the title. So anytime the list is updated, I want to see the name of the title, which is what we put in the list. So we are ready to roll. I'm just going to save this, and I'm going to go in Service Desk, and let's click on Add New Item. And let's just name this Hello World. So a new item is created, and click save. And let's go back here in Power Automate, and it says your flow is ready to go to test it. So let's just go back here and just click got it, and let's see all. Okay. As you can see, we have a flow that succeeded, and you can see it says succeeded. So let's check, and we click on compose. And you can see it says your flow ran successfully, and there is the name of the item list. It was Hello World. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.